show you a little hair hack to get these rubber bands out. Sometimes they are so annoying because every time you try to get them out, they kind of like rip your hair and it kind of hurts. And then sometimes I'll break them, but it snaps so hard and it is kind of annoying to get them out. So one easy way we found, it's so easy, you just barely touch the iron on the rubber band for 2 seconds and it pops it right off. Like, it's literally the easiest trick ever. Like, and then you're not like pulling the crap out of your hair, and it just takes 2 seconds and they just pop right off. So there's no reason to like pull them and snag them anymore. Like, it's so easy. And there you have it. They're all out and it didn't even hurt her head. Ta-da!